3. The legendary Chhatrapati Shivaji. This is the lesson in your course book, children, and now we will do the workbook part for this lesson, the legendary Chhatrapati Shivaji. Here the first section is understanding the text and A bit is tick the correct answer. Here we have 4 incomplete sentences. We have to complete these blanks by choosing the correct answer from these given options. For each sentence we are given 4 options. We have to select the correct answer. 1. Shivaji was born at the fort of Shivneri in dash. And the options here are A. Manipur, B. Maharashtra, C. Meghalaya, D. Mizoram. So among these 4 options, the correct answer is Maharashtra. So the option is B. We will put the tick mark for B option, Maharashtra. Shivaji was born at the fort of Shivneri in Maharashtra. 2. Shivaji's mother dash molded his character. The options here are A. Padmavati, B. Padmini, C. Jijabai, 4. Rukmini. And here the correct answer is Jijabai. We will put the tick mark for option C here. Shivaji's mother Jijabai molded his character. 3. Dash trained Shivaji in the use of arms. The options here are A. Dronacharya, B. Kripacharya, C. Dadaji Konddev, D. Parshuram. And among these 4 options, the correct answer is Dadaji Konddev. So we will put the tick mark for option C. Dadaji Konddev trained Shivaji in the use of arms. 4. The saint poet dash brought about a great awakening in Shivaji. The options here are A. Swami Ramdas, B. Swami Tukaram, C. Dada Haridas, D. Both A and B. So here the answer is option D, both A and B, that is Swami Ramdas and Swami Tukaram. So we will put the tick mark for option D here. The saint poets Swami Ramdas and Swami Tukaram brought about a great awakening in Shivaji. So children, this is about the A bit in understanding the text. Now we will move to the next bit. The next bit in understanding the text is B. Answer the following questions. Here we have few questions. We have to read these questions and write the answers for these questions. 1. When and where was Shivaji born? The answer for this is Shivaji was born in 1627 at the fort of Shivneri in Maharashtra. 2. Name the stories that Jijabai narrated to Shivaji. The answer for this is Jijabai narrated stories of great heroes of our epics, the Ramayana and the Mahabharata, to Shivaji. 3. Name the capital of Shivaji's kingdom. The answer for this is Raigarh was the capital of Shivaji's kingdom. So children, these are the answers for these given questions. You can write these answers in your workbook. Now we will move to the 4th question. The 4th question is, what kind of warrior Shivaji was? What was the other title given to him and why? The answer for this is Shivaji was a brave and fearless warrior. Due to his expertise in mountain warfare, he was given the title of the mountain rat. The mountain rat. 5. When was Shivaji crowned Chhatrapati and what did he do for the community? The answer for this is Shivaji was crowned Chhatrapati in 1674 and he dedicated his whole life to the well-being of the community. Children, these are the answers for the 4th and 5th questions. You can write these answers in your workbook. And now we will move to the next section. The next section here is word search. A. Fill the names of these pictures in such a way that you will get the name of a prominent Indian warrior king in the circles downwards. So children, here some pictures are given and the names of these pictures are these words. We have to write the letters of each word in the given boxes here. And once you write the names from the first letters of each word, we will get the name of a Indian warrior king. Now first, let's see what the pictures here. Hat, aeroplane, tiger, ant, cat, horse, rat, penguin, tortoise, igloo, apple. Now we have to write the names of these pictures in the given boxes here. First letter here is C, A, then T, cat. So first word is cat here. We have a picture of cat. Now next is H-O-R-S-E, horse. Here we have horse. The next word H-A-T, hat. Here we have hat. Next word is A-P-P-L-E, apple. Here we have apple. The next word T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Next word is tiger. Here we have the picture of a tiger. The next is R-A-T, rat. So this is the rat here. Next word A-N-T, ant. Here we have ant. The next word P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Here we have penguin. The next word, first letter is A, E, R, O, P, L, A, N, E, aeroplane. The next word here is aeroplane. We have aeroplane here. Now the next word, first letter T, O, R, T, O, I, S, E, tortoise. Here we have tortoise. The next word, first letter I, G, L, O, O, igloo. This is igloo. So now we have written the words of the pictures given here. Now from these words, if we take the first letters C-H-H-A-T-R-A-P-A-T-I, that is Chhatrapati. So if we take the first letters of these words, we get the name of a prominent Indian warrior king. This is the name of the famous Indian warrior king, that is Chhatrapati. If we write the first letters of each word, we get the name of Chhatrapati. This is about the A bit in word search. Now we will move to the next bit. The next bit under word search B. Let's read the heading here. Here are given two columns. Column 1 consists of the real names of our great freedom fighters and column 2 contains their nicknames. Match them appropriately. Here one column has the real names of great freedom fighters and this column has their nicknames. Now we have to match the real name with the nickname. We have to match the real name with that of the nickname in this column. Let's do the first one. Or shall I read for you all the words here? First I will read the names. Lala Lajpat Rai, B.R. Ambedkar, Rabindranath Tagore, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Abdul Kalam Azad. These are the real names and these are the nicknames. Baba Saheb, Gurudev, Bapu, Maulana, Punjab Kesari, Netaji. Now the first real name here is Lala Lajpat Rai. For this, the nickname here is Punjab Kesari. Punjab Kesari is the nickname for Lala Lajpat Rai. We will match these two names. 2. B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar is a real name. The nickname for B.R. Ambedkar is Baba Saheb. We will match B.R. Ambedkar with Baba Saheb. 3. Rabindranath Tagore. The nickname for Rabindranath Tagore is Gurudev. We will match Rabindranath Tagore with Gurudev. 4. Subhash Chandra Bose. The real name Subhash Chandra Bose and the nickname is Netaji. We will match Subhash Chandra Bose with Netaji. 5. Mahatma Gandhi. The real name is Mahatma Gandhi and the nickname is Bapu. We will match Mahatma Gandhi with Bapu. 6. Abdul Kalam Azad. The nickname for Abdul Kalam Azad is Maulana. We will match Abdul Kalam Azad with Maulana. So these are the real names and these are the nicknames. Now I will read the real name and the nickname together. Lala Lajpat Rai is also called as Punjab Kesari. B.R. Ambedkar, he is also called as Baba Saheb. Rabindranath Tagore is also called as Gurudev. Subhash Chandra Bose, he is also known as Netaji. Mahatma Gandhi, we call him Bapu. Abdul Kalam Azad is also called as Maulana. So this is about the B bit under word search. The next section here is writing skills. Children, let's read the heading what is given here. Write a paragraph in about 100 words on your favorite leader and paste his picture in the space provided. Children, under writing skills, here you have to write a paragraph in about 100 words about your favorite leader. You can write a paragraph on any of your favorite leader. He can be Mahatma Gandhi, B.R. Ambedkar, Subhash Chandra Bose or any famous leader you can write, and also paste the picture of the leader in the workbook. Write about 100 words about your favorite leader and paste his picture in the workbook. This is about writing skills. Now we will move to the next section. The next section here is life skill. Read the chapter and write the special qualities of Chhatrapati Shivaji that proved that he was a great warrior. Do you see any of his qualities in you? Children, first read the chapter of the lesson, The Legendary Chhatrapati Shivaji, and write the special qualities of Chhatrapati Shivaji. What were the qualities that proved that he was a great warrior? And do you see those qualities in you? Question yourself. Now I will show you how to write. I have made an example for you and I will show you how to write. These are the qualities of Chhatrapati Shivaji that proved that he was a great warrior. Now let's read. Shivaji inspired every soldier to fight with all his might. Shivaji was a brave and fearless warrior. He was also an able administrator and a far-sighted statesman. His defense organization was superb. He respected other religions as much as his own. Shivaji was an obedient and loving son. So these were the great qualities of Chhatrapati Shivaji that proved that he was a great warrior. You children, you can write the great qualities of Chhatrapati Shivaji and see if any of these qualities are in yourself. So this is about the life skill. Children, with this section we complete the workbook part for the lesson The Legendary Chhatrapati Shivaji.